Okay guys, so this video is to help you out with installing TensorFlow. I know a few of you were not able to install TensorFlow through Jupyter Notebooks, so there's another way. What you need to do is open up Anaconda Navigator on Windows or Mac, doesn't matter. Then through this navigator, you need to click on this environment tab on the left. Once you click on this, you need to choose the base, the root, unless you open up an environment yourself. Then if it's installed, it should show up here, all the packages that you have installed. I also added this TensorFlow, so it's searching TensorFlow. Let me show you. So these are all the packages that are already installed in my kernel, in my root. So if you choose not installed and search for TensorFlow here, you can choose TensorFlow, this one, and click apply. This should install TensorFlow to your kernel, Anaconda kernel. And I hope this works. And that's it. See you later, guys. Bye.